Holy good gravy. That is not what we're looking for, probably. That's gonna be a shark on the wrong setup. Man, he smoked that, you guys. We're in trouble here. We got 50-pound mono, but no, no shark leader. Oh, this might be a really big blue, but I'm pretty positive it's a shark. Oh man, and he is not happy. Holy moly, you guys. I mean, that thing was just doubled over completely and totally. Uh-oh, you guys. We're in trouble here. We're in trouble here. Come on, baby. Come on. Don't break us off. Oh my gosh, you guys, this thing is just pulling. Where is he? Yeah, nice shark. My gosh. On this setup, good gravy. Bring him up with this. If I can get the leader, it'll be all right. There we go. There we go. There we go, you guys. Woo! Get a good look at this guy. That's an Atlantic sharp-nosed shark, you guys. And that's a good one. We're just gonna cut close as we can. Easy, bud. All right. Well, you guys, that was a freaking workout. Not what we wanted on our little setup. That was the shark we were supposed to get on our shark rod, not on the bluefish rod. So that fight, man, was crazy. That was an 8-foot Penn Squadron rod. I think it's like a medium heavy, something like that. And then, yeah, Daiwa BGMQ 3000. So we were overmatched with that. And I'm surprised the leader held. Again, we weren't going for sharks on that. So 50-pound leader, no wire on that one. So let's get back to it.